This is a Runstar Smart Scale. I wanted to get one for the year so I could start tracking my body weight and all the other components like with BMI and everything too. So honestly, this looked like a really good purchase on Amazon. Got it, and let's test it out to see just how easy it is. It does come with batteries, so that was pretty great too. Let's give it a shot. All right, so I downloaded the app and tested it out. So this is what just happened a couple minutes ago, but let me step on it again. And it'll say hi, it'll start calculating. And there I go with the weight, 207.2. And it's transferring it to the app, measuring my heartbeat, which is pretty neat. And it tells your water weight, fat mass, bone mass, protein mass. So I wanted to use this to track all my macros this year instead of just stepping on any regular scale. And this is actually doing what I wanted to do. Let's see what my heart rate is, 78 BPM, okay. So yeah, I am happy with this purchase. Can't wait to start using it out and track. Also, I enjoy without this phone, you could look on the screen of the scale and see a lot of the measurements as well.